Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Roman numeral page numbers in Google Docs. Roman numerals are commonly used for title pages, introductions, and front matter in books and reports. So let's get started. First, open Google Docs on your computer. Open the document where you want to use Roman numeral page numbers. Next, double-click the header or footer, depending on where you want the page numbers to appear. Now, click Insert at the top of the page. From the menu, select Special Characters. In the Special Characters window, choose Number from the first drop-down menu. Then select Other from the second drop-down menu. You'll now see a list of Roman numerals. Click the Roman numeral you want to use for the first page, such as I. Next, place your cursor at the end of the first page. Click Insert, hover over Break, and select Section Break Continuous. Now, go to the next page and double-click the header or footer. Turn off Link to Previous. Click Insert, then Special Characters again. Choose the next Roman numeral, such as II, and insert it. Repeat the same steps for each additional page. Create a new section break continuous, disable Link to Previous, and insert the next Roman numeral in the sequence until you've added Roman numerals to all the pages you want. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Roman numeral page numbers in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.